good, YouTube? Will McCauley, one half of Gym Wreckage, and today is back day. I'm gonna be doing 4 different back exercises. My back, generally, I have a thick back, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna do 3 exercises that's gonna work on the width of my back, and I'm gonna be doing 1 exercise to go work on the thickness of my back. So the first one is gonna be the Pendulum row. Unlike the general barbell row where you actually bend down, like that and you hold the weight in the air, putting more stress on your lower back. This one, there's going to be none of that. I'm going to actually be dropping the weight down, just like that, coming at a dead stop, taking pressure off my back, taking pressure off the lower back, so allowing me to be able to not put that much strain on it, and then be able to lift heavier weight so I can work on that width of the back, being able to get more out of my workout. So I'm gonna do a couple reps right now just to show you a good example of it. Shoulder width grip. That was the first set. Well, warm up, 135. Just give you an example. My next set will be the working set. Working set, 205, 6 to 8 reps. Doing these, make sure you try to do a lot of back movement. Straight arms, squeezing that back. All right, next exercise, we're gonna be doing weighted pull-ups. In my personal opinion, if you could do 10 or more pull-ups, you have the ability to go weighted. So I'm gonna be doing weighted pull-ups, starting with the 25-pound plate. As I said before, I'm working more on the width of my back, so this is gonna be working more on the width. The last exercise I did and this exercise both works the lats, except this one is going to focus a little bit more on the upper lats because of the position you'll be in. Now, while you're doing your pull-ups, you will feel a little burn in your biceps because any pull-up movement, you also are working your biceps as well, so don't worry about that. Now, when doing these pull-ups, since you won't be able to hear me when I'm facing that way, make sure that you are actually extending all the way out, coming all the way down on the negative and pulling up. So none of this. Actually, when you're coming down, extend all the way out so you can get the best possible muscle contraction in the lats when you're coming on the negative and when you're coming back up. So I got 25-pound plate. I'm about to do 8 to 12 reps. Let's get it. Also, it'll be smart when you're doing weighted to stand on a bench, so when you come down, you don't just hit the floor with this weight pulling you down. You can injure yourself that way, so this would be a smart thing to do, is get a bench. Eight to 12 reps. I did 12. I'm probably gonna go up to the 35s and do 8 to 10. So 3 to 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps, 1.5 to 2 minutes rest in between. Let's get it. All right, so this next exercise I told you I was only gonna do one exercise working on the thickness because I have pretty good back thickness. So this is gonna be the T-bar row using this handle. Now with this grip right here, because of the way the palm's facing in, you're gonna have the ability to lift a lot more weight than in other back workouts. So first I'm just gonna start off with 225s. I like using the 25s just because of the range of motion. They're smaller. When you got the 45s on there, you can't get it all the way up to get a good contraction in the back. So I use the 25s and I still put a lot of them on there. So I'm just gonna do 225 right now, and I'm just gonna show you just the proper form and the way I do these. Squeeze, lower with control. As you can see, lower with control, squeeze. Lower with control, squeeze. Now you don't have to go that slow, but it's improvising on lower with control, not none of this. You know what I'm saying? Actually, lower with control, boom, with control, just like that. These I do 3 to 4 sets. Once again, 8 to 12 reps. As I go down in reps, I go up in weight. 525 pound plates, 8 to 12 reps. Let's go. I did 15 reps just because I wanted him to circle around and get the front view just so you can see that form and technique. Let's get it. Last workout of the day, I told y'all I was working more on the width of my back, so this is the last exercise. It's gonna be lat pull-downs on this vertical traction lat pull-down machine, working more on the width of the back. So like I said when we were doing pull-ups, extending all the way on that negative. This way the negative is gonna be actually bringing the weight up. So making sure you really extend it all the way up so you can get that muscle contraction to really activate those upper lats. So same concept, 3 to 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Usually on my last workout, I try to do a drop set. So if I'm doing, 4 sets of 12, on that 4th set, I'm more likely, I'm gonna be doing 48. So 12, 24, 36, 48. So here goes my first working set, let's get it. First working set, 170 pounds, just did 12, so I'm more likely I'm gonna go up, probably gonna do another set of 12, and then increase the weight, 10, increase the weight, 8, and then do that drop set. So those were the 4 workouts of the day. 3 of them was width, only 1 was thickness, because I already got good thickness, and I'm trying to work on that width. So if you like this workout, comment below, utilize it, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.